In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add leads in Zoho CRM, a comprehensive guide for 2020. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a refresher, this tutorial is designed to guide you through each step of the process with ease, ensuring that you gain a clear understanding of how to efficiently manage your leads. First, you're going to want to navigate to your Zoho CRM homepage. This is your starting point for accessing the different areas of your CRM, including the lead management section, which is our focus today. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already used to it. Next, you'll head over to the leads section. Here you can see all existing leads and manage them as needed. The leads tab is the crucial area for capturing and organizing potential clients or customers. Click on this section to open up the lead management interface. Once you are in the lead section, you'll notice an option to create lead. Go ahead and click on this. This step is where you start the process of adding a new lead into your system. You'll see a form where you can input all necessary information about the lead. Now let's go into more detail on what you need to fill out. Begin by entering all relevant lead information. This will include essentials such as the lead's name, company, email, and any other details pertinent to making initial contact or qualifying the lead. It's helpful to be thorough here to ensure all team members accessing the CRM have the complete picture. Following that, take a moment to fill in the address information. This might include the lead's business address or any other relevant location details. Ensuring that these details are complete and accurate will aid in logistical planning should the lead transition to a client. Next, there's an optional step that can add value to your lead entries. In the description section, you have room to jot down additional notes or observations that don't fit elsewhere in the form. This can be useful for recording interactions or specific interests that have been communicated by the lead. After you've filled out all the necessary information and maybe some additional details in the description box, you're going to wrap things up. Give everything a quick review to make sure no fields are left blank and all info is correct. Once satisfied, click on Save. This will prompt Zoho CRM to store your newly created lead, making it accessible for you and your team to work with. And that's it. You've successfully added a lead into Zoho CRM. Each step of this guide is crafted to ensure you're fully equipped to manage your leads efficiently in Zoho CRM. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your CRM experience.